Most people work hard for money, but only a few know how to make money work for them. Welcome to Wealth Wisdom AI. Today, we are revealing the 5 fundamental rules of money that schools never taught you. Rules that turn ordinary people into millionaires. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. Wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. Rule number 2, understand the power of compounding. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Investing small amounts consistently can grow into a massive fortune over time. The perfect time to start is today. Stocks or real estate. A liability takes money out, like a luxury car. The rich buy assets first. Rule number 4, invest in your mind. The best investment you will ever make is in your own education and skills. Number 5, diversify your income. Relying on a single job is dangerous. Create multiple streams, dividends, or digital assets. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Which rule will you apply first? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more wisdom. See you in the next one.